Hi, it's James bringing the walk around of the 420D GRAN COUPE in mineral grey. This is an XDRIVE vehicle, so we've got that superb four-wheel drive XDRIVE system on this particular vehicle. So start with a walk around. Of course, we're going to start with the exterior, where we have the YNC M performance body styling, which is of course all fitted in-house. On this particular vehicle, we've got the half satin and half gloss, as you can see as we make our walk around the vehicle. Wheel option is the stunning 20-inch 405 M replica alloy wheel, which is all brand new with brand new tyres. As you can see there, we've gone for the diamond cut outer faces with the gloss black inserts. We've also got the aimed light and xenon headlamps, which you can also see in operation. We'll give you a nice long shot down the side of the car before we head on inside for a quick glance at the interior. We've also got the gloss black air breathers on both front wings. Now on for a quick glance at the interior, where we have the stunning black Dakota leather, which has the heated seat function alongside having the electric lumbar on both front seats. We've also got the lovely M Sport sill plates, as you can see there. We've got the grand piano black trim with aluminium hexagon door card inserts and along the dashboard and centre console. Moving now onto the rear seats, where we find the Isofix rear bench, of course, and that centre folding armrest. We've also got the anthracite black headlining, being an M Sport 4 series, and in a very nice condition as well. Moving now round to the rear of the vehicle, where we find the carbon fibre style rear boot spoiler. And of course, as I mentioned, this vehicle is an XDRIVE, so we've got that superb four-wheel drive system. Another nice option on this vehicle is the rear facing reversing camera, which of course I'll show you a display of once we hop on inside the driver's seat in just a short moment. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, which of course comes as standard on the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series, with a very large boot space indeed. And should you require to fold the seats, you do of course get that option too. Once again, we have a mineral grey with the black YNC M performance body styling, which of course works absolutely tremendously. And we'll give you another close-up look at the 405 M replica alloy wheels, which are of course brand new and totally unmarked. One last little view at the rear seats before we head on in for that full walk around at the interior spec. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media. We of course get DAB, and let's get straight on into that rear facing reversing camera. As you can see there, we've also got front and rear parking sensors. We'll pop that back in park to stop it beeping at us. The heated seat function, which I've already gone over. We've got the superb multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We've also got the absolutely amazing 8-speed sport gearbox combined with that four-wheel drive system. Makes for a very nice pairing. Cruise control with speed limiter, all controlled using the toggle switch here. Voice control and volume control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 67,000, as you can see on the odometer. We of course get Bluetooth for Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth calls. We've already seen the DAB function. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including that superb music collection. Music collection enables you to store and move over music from any medium, i.e. a USB stick or CDs, so you can simply store it to the vehicle's hard drive and it's there until you decide you don't want it to be there anymore. So it saves you having to have a lot of CDs or USB sticks lying around in the vehicle. We've of course got the standard of USB and aux ports in the vehicle underneath the armrest. So plenty of ways to import and play your music. So in summary, a very nice and tidy 420D GRAN COUPE, and an especially tidy one because we've got that superb four-wheel drive system and that reversing camera. Okay, so that will finish off the walk around for this 420D GRAN COUPE in mineral grey. We do of course hope you found this walk around video useful, and do not forget, if you are enjoying these walk arounds and are a regular to checking them out, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell icon if you are wanting to be notified every time we put a new video onto the channel, and that way you can keep up to date with our latest and greatest stock here at Your Next Car. Thank you for watching, do take care, hope to see you soon, thank you and goodbye.